Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Riz channel. My name is Ron, and I hope you're having an awesome day. So, big things are happening in crypto. Kentucky's pushing for a Bitcoin reserve. XRP ETFs could be a game changer, and Solana might just break through the SEC regulations. Let's break it all down for you today. Kentucky just become the 16th state to introduce legislation for a Bitcoin reserve bill. It was introduced yesterday by their state representative, Theodore Joseph Roberts. Now, if this is passed, this would allow them to use up to 10% of excess state reserves to be allocated to Bitcoin and other digital assets. Now, Kentucky joins a growing list of many states. For example, some of them Arizona, Texas, Massachusetts, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, just to mention a few of them, that are all looking to embrace digital assets. And let's be real, the more states that are going to jump in, it's just going to cause other states to start adopting Bitcoin as a reserve as well. Pretty much just like FOMO. When we FOMO into our crypto or we FOMO into our stock, it's pretty much the same way. And eventually all states, I believe, will start adopting the state treasury digital asset reserve. I think this could also spark off a wave of state level Bitcoin adoptions. Just my opinion. But drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and move on now. I believe XRP could be on the verge of a massive breakout. Leading asset managers, including 21 Shares, Bitwise, Canary Capital, Wisdom Tree, they have all filed for a spot XRP ETFs with the SEC, which was filed through CBOE Exchange. The SEC received the filings, which, if approved, would make history as the first ever XRP ETFs in the United States. Now, JP Morgan, let me just jump down here for you guys real quick, as we can see here. We got JP Morgan believes XRP ETFs could attract 4 to 8 billion in their first year alone. I think it's way too conservative. With XRP trading currently around 250 when I made this video, and just a few days ago, XRP was sitting around $3. I believe we can see a 4 to 6x if this ETF gets the green light, which is going to send the price of XRP skyrocketing because institutions start pouring into the ETFs. We could easily see a $12 to $18 XRP by the end of this year. This could also set off a domino effect, bringing even more institutions into the game and into this XRP ETF. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I being too bullish here? Or are we in for a massive XRP bump? Drop your comments below. I'd love to know what you think. Also, we have today something no one expected. The SEC is actually reviewing Grayscale's filing for the Solana ETF. This could be huge. The SEC had previously classified Solana as a security. So why the sudden interest? I say it's all because we now have a lot more crypto-friendly SEC since Gensler is gone. Here's the actual filing of the for Solana's ETF here. Now, Grayscale is the world's largest digital asset manager, and they've been pushing hard for the Solana trust to be turned into an ETF. Right now, they have over 7 million shares outstanding. And I believe the timeline on this was, I think they have 240 days to approve it, or to deny it. If it's approved, it's going to mark a massive shift in crypto regulation and open the doors for other altcoins. So, what do you guys think? Will the SEC finally recognize Solana as a legit asset? Will XRP ETFs send the price to the moon? And will Kentucky's Bitcoin reserve set off a national trend? Let's discuss it in the comments below. I just want to go over real quick a little bit of what's going on in the markets. I always like to cover the prices. Today we got the current market cap is sitting at 3.32 trillion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 58.5. That's actually up a little bit from just a few days ago. And let's take a look here. So we got Bitcoin currently sitting at 98,000. It's still down about 6% over the last 7 days. We have Ethereum sitting at $2,696, and that's still down pretty huge. It's down 20% in the last 7 days. I am a lot more bullish on Solana than I am Ethereum. XRP is still down, but with all the news we just went over, we're sitting at $2.49. It's down that 19% roughly in the last 7 days. But with that news, and if these ETFs get approved, this is going to take off. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice, but this is something I am DCAing into right now with the price being down on the XRP. It looks like it's a good time to do that if you're into dollar cost averaging. Okay, we got Solana. Again, this one I'm very bullish on Solana. This one I expect to be over $500 or $600 by the end of this market cycle. It's sitting at $198 currently. It's down 15, just about 15.5% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin, this is another one. I'm pretty bullish on Dogecoin. I believe this is gonna hit $1.50 to $2 by the end of this bull cycle. I honestly believe that. I know it's down right now, 23%, but as most may know, when the markets tank, the altcoins, they get hammered. They get hammered very hard. But they will rebound. They will come back, especially when we get into altcoin season, which is going to be later this year. Cardano, this is also down pretty big if you're a big Cardano fan. I do hold some Cardano myself. It's sitting at 72 cents. It's down 24.5%. These both Dogecoin and Cardano, in my opinion, are great to start picking up right now. Dollar cost average into these, especially if you bought into these higher. This is a great time to lower your overall price. Another one I like a lot, Chainlink. It's currently at $19. It's down again, 25%. But this is a solid project. This is one I have in my personal portfolio. And I will actually be picking up more of this. I will scoop up some more. I'll dollar cost average into this, being down 25% in the last 7 days. Avalanche. And Avalanche is another one I like. Again, we could see in the last 7 days, we see a trend here. Everything is down over the last 7 days. This is going to rebound. Don't freak out. This is going to come back. Be patient. Don't try to get rich overnight. DCA and HODL. That's the key. Build your portfolio with solid projects. So Avalanche sitting at 25.25 basically, and it's down 28%. We'll definitely be snatching up some of this. So that's all I'm going to go over today on these. So I hope that gives you guys a little bit of help. Now, I don't know if you guys are actually building a diversified crypto portfolio. But in case you are, or if you're interested, I will put a video up here for you to click on and take a look at, where I cover everything about how to do it and how to build your diversified, bulletproof crypto portfolio. That's all I got for today, and I want to thank everyone for watching. And I hope you find this update valuable. Hit like, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next big crypto moves. I'll see you in the next one. Stay bullish and stay ready. Bye-bye.